Hello everyone, this is Martha here. So you would have spent some time yesterday, Tuesday, thinking about your own mini beast. Now, today we are going to be using those fantastic drawings and creations to describe your mini beast. Okay, now this task is supported by some word maps which you will find on the Keep Hatch Home Learning page for Year 1. Okay, now I'm going to talk you through what we're looking for here. I'd like you to have your picture that you created yesterday and your details about how many wings, how many legs, where it lives to help you with this task. Okay, now this task, I'm looking for you to write a few more sentences to describe your creature, okay? This is where we're going to use our knowledge of adjectives to help us our describing words, okay? And as I mentioned, there is some word maps to help support you with this task, okay? So I'm going to share my screen so that we can talk through what you are going to be doing today. So here we go. Okay, so this is the sheet that you will be working through. As you can see, there is another box that says draw your mini beast below. Now I would encourage you to draw your creature again, drawing it into best. Now, the good thing about redrawing our creatures is we can perfect and improve our creations. We have talked at the beginning of the year about Austin's butterfly, where you draft and redraft your drawings till you're absolutely happy with your creations. So have another try at drawing your creature, and again, please do add some colour to your creatures as it will help you when you come to do your description. Okay, as I move down the template that you're going to use, you're going to describe your mini beast. Okay, and here you're going to be looking at the colours that you have chosen and the shape of your creature that you have chosen, and any little details that you have added to make your creature your very own. I'm looking for you to be doing full sentences here, and I would like to see you remembering your capital letters, your full stops at the end of your sentences, and those finger spaces between the words, which will all help you make your work very clear and easy to read. What you might like to do on this template is to draw yourself or ask your grown-up to help draw some lines to help you keep your handwriting nice and straight. Okay, so we're going to think about our creature, and we're going to start it off by saying my mini beast has 4 legs. Now remember what I mentioned in the Spotlight tutorial for your Tuesday's English is when you're doing writing, you want to be writing the word for the number rather than the actual number. Okay, so I would write the word 4 rather than the number 4. Okay, so I might say something like this. My creature has 4 legs. It is very colourful. It has blue and yellow fur all over its body, full stop. It has beautiful wings like a butterfly. My creature is called the butterbee, full stop. Now, if we're giving our creature a name, remember that will need a full stop a capital at the beginning of the name. Okay, I'm going to move on to look at the next box now. Now you can do as much or as little as you feel you want to here, but I would encourage you to write at least 3 sentences in this box. If you wish to write more, that would be fantastic. Okay, looking at this last box then, where can you find this mini beast? So this is where your learning that you did in Topic will come into play. Okay, so you will be learning about different habitats, for different real life mini beasts that you can magpie some ideas from. I have also added another PowerPoint on habitats, microhabitats, that you might like to watch as well to give you some further ideas. Okay, so when you're working in this box, again, you might like to ask your grown-up to draw you some lines on here. And when you're writing this, you're going to think about where your mini beast is going to live. So you might say something like, my mini beast lives at the bottom of trees, full stop. It likes to hide under leaves, full stop. My mini beast likes to eat worms, full stop. It thinks they are yummy, full stop. Okay. Now within your writing, if you choose to, you can add some detail. To add detail, we can be using our adjectives, okay, our describing words. So have a play with that and see how you get on. I'm going to unshare my screen for you all now. Okay, so you're going to be putting into practice all of the learning that you have been doing around mini beasts here. See how you get on. Pause and revisit parts of the tutorial, and also refer to the timetable, because that will give you some further guidance to support this task. Okay, so enjoy, have fun. I hope you really enjoy this task. Happy creating. Okay, good luck, year one. Take care. Bye.